Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday in positional strategies. And this video, I'm going to create one of the scanner with using a Bollinger one and a trend reversal scanner and will be used for short-term swing trading or in intraday trading based on the candlesticks pattern along with the Bollinger Band confirmation. It is a request from my premium group member. So you want to 15 minutes pattern. So here the condition is simple. The shooting star candle that should be happen on about to the upper Bollinger Band. Okay, so that is what the conditions is based on this thing we are going to look at the scanner to create. And here we are looking at the daily chart of this particular stock of BPCL. How this shooting star candle, which is going to be help to make a perfect trend reversal. And you look at this candle, which is forming a shooting star, and it is about to the upper Bollinger Band. Okay, so this is what condition which I'm going to simply create and the upper Bollinger Band. And previously, you can look at this another shooting star. Okay, so that is a good trend reversal, and that is what the thing which I'm going to discuss in this video, and how to create that kind of a scanner with step by step. I'm going to guide you. First, I'm just going to look at for a daily scanner. Okay, so the simple way how we can make a daily daily is a different and intraday is different. So just look at this and two scanners which I'm going to create in this video, and you can watch carefully how to create that, and you can also make following the steps. Okay, so one is a free one, another one is a premium, like using a customized indicator I'm going to create. So just go for a create a scanner, and I'm going to always focus on futures and options. And if you want any other segments, you can select from here, but I'm just always planning to create a scanners in future and option segments. Okay, so here we are going to compare four different values. Okay, so if you are comparing four different values, that should not be possible on charting. Only two values which we can compare with the charting. Okay, so we need to create a customized indicator, or we can use a bracket or absolute value functions, anyone which we can use to compare four different values. Okay, so normally it is not possible with this direct thing. Okay, so I'm going to make an ABS is the function which is available here. So comparing two values. Okay, so I'm going to make the high of a particular day. That is daily means the current day. Okay, so the low of that particular day. So this is what my condition which I'm looking for exactly, and it must be greater than or equal to. And again, and I'm going to ABS. So why I'm using ABS? So comparing four different values. Okay, so that was helping you ABS function or a bracket function. So ABS open and close. So after that, I'm going to make that wick of that particular candle should be slightly higher than whatever the number. So where we are using this number function, it is for adjustment purpose. So you can increase or decrease so to get a stocks list. Okay. So if you are a decreased one, we can get a then more number of stocks, and decrease a very less number of stocks. So that's why we always given you such a what we say kind of a modification. So you can use it, and you can also view up and down something, or you can increase and decrease to get perfect stocks. And the second condition which I'm going for ABS again. So why your ABS is about to compare four different values. Okay, the lower value. So if you are following these steps, you can easily follow the scanner. And this is also be the scanner which is going to be updated on my premium group. So if you wish to join that premium group, so there is nothing on this premium group, only the scanner which I have already created, and I'm creating the scanners which is that I'm just updating that group. So I'm not given it free, and it was a paid one. Okay, so here let us open minus close and close minus low, and this is the condition. So it will be fetching the stock which forming a shooting star kind of candles. Okay, so if I'm run the scan, so today Bosch, HDFC, LNT, LTTS, these are all the stocks which forming a shooting star kind of candle. So let me go for LTTS today. So market is closed. So looking for kind of shooting star, and it is not an exact shooting star. Okay, but it looks like what we are exactly given you the conditions. So three times. Okay, and the next one which I'm looking for, what? Let me wait. First, we need to save the scan. That's right. Okay, so that's okay. So we are going to run the scan and we find it. And HDFC Bank is the second one. So we can modify that if it is not satisfied our condition. This is not also satisfying our condition. And third one is both. If this one is satisfying our condition, why not open in HDFC and HDFC? You can look at this the perfect shooting star kind of thing which forms at this point. Okay. So what I'm just going to look for this. It must be happen and above to the upper Bollinger Band. Why I'm just getting that above to upper Bollinger Band? And that should be the trend reversal or even a trend continuation should be possible if the stock which is trading above or below to the Bollinger Band. So that is the main reason which I'm using for the idea. So previously you can look at this the single candle reversal pattern of spinning top which happening here, and there is a huge move. And here it is again doji. There is a move. Maybe if initial trade maybe got stop loss and the reversal trade that given you the such opportunity. So how to get that Bollinger Band above to the upper Bollinger Band? Simply we can use that low of that particular day. It must be mm, greater than. Okay. So we need to use the upper Bollinger Band. So the parameter is 20 and 2. So let me save this scan fast and will it works better. And let me go to check from stock. Only few stocks. So randomly we can check that one BPCL which I already told you. BPCL which forming such a pattern on 9th of November exactly above to upper Bollinger Band. Maybe we are using for a positional trigger if we are using a daily condition. And previously we have small number of idea. It's a very low value stock. I'm not considering that for, and BSOFT and 211. So let me go for this is what a second sorry, here is the second November. But the low of that particular candle, if it is breaks, we are expecting the stock can raise to the middle level of the Bollinger Band or even the lower level of the Bollinger Band, but doesn't break the level. So we are not focusing that also for a reversal opportunity at the top level. At this point, LNT, PFC, REC on 11.9. So LNT, PFC, 11.9. Yeah, you can see, look at this. So from that, there is a reversal and it came down towards the middle Bollinger Band. And the next one is REC. Even we can, yeah, REC is the perfect one. The low of that day is broken and it exactly reaching that level of the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, sorry, middle Bollinger Band. So this is the logic, which is about a daily time frame. Okay. So this is a scanner which I have used for a daily. So, but if I am going for an intraday, okay, so we need to modify this and we can use with the customized indicator. I'm just going to create that with the customized indicator, whether will it is works for uh, works perfect or not. Okay, how do we create that for an intraday? Simply with the four steps, we can go for this one. So simply I'm just going to use the future and 15 minutes, sorry, which we can use red candle. Should be a red candle that should always open at a greater than that particular point. So we can create. Okay, so this one 15 minutes to number. So we have to use two times. greater than. So this one is the condition, first condition, and the second condition which I'm going to use the range of that particular stock multiplied by under zero point 0.4. Already we know the swing trading which you have used. It should be less than. So will it is works, then we can go for. So the close must be less than the open. So the right candle which you are looking for, open. Okay, so simply we are going to use it the high of that particular day. It's better than maximum candle, and it should be 1 day. Okay, will it is works? Let me check first. We don't get any stocks at this moment. Keep scan. And the backtest result. Yeah, we got a backtest result, good backtest result. So let me check until November. That is what yesterday. So I don't want. So maybe whether it is working or not, we can check it. So into Petro chamber fertilizer. It's not right. Into Petro chamber fertilizer. It's not about exactly. So we need to modify this. Let me go for a 15 minutes. We need to change all the time frame into 15 minutes. How to change any scanner? So you need to change whatever the daily, if you want to get a 15 minutes, you need to change whatever the daily time frame, you should change it. And you can here, you can see 1 day ago means 15 minutes minus 1. That's it. Okay, so how to change all the parameters, all the values, simply we can change whether it is going to give you perfect or not. So at this point, around 10:15 Exide Industries, whether it is right or not. Exide Industries 10:15 is about a daily time frame, right? So we need to change it to 15 minutes time frame. It is about 10:15, but it is not exactly the look what we are looking for. So first of all, we need to combine that candle pattern with what our pattern. Okay, so we need to kind of stock which we are going to focus. This is what open and this is close, and this is high and this is low. In this case, open close, that is the body of the candle, must be less than. Let me check. Less than the this one. Okay, that's great. Here should be greater than. Let me change it and check it. Save scan. First, we need to check. So let me check any stock which forming in such a pattern. Canara Bank Bell AB Capital at 12:45. Canara Bank, perfect. Look at this shooting star candle. And now one more thing is about BHEL and AB Capital. AB Capital here looks like 12:45. The BHEL at 12. Mostly that was looking like a shooting star. But if you want to increase the wick size, so you need to increase 3. If you are increase it, we'll be getting very few at 12:45. So we have AB Capital and BHE. Okay, so that's working right. So minus 115 minutes, that's also be great. And simply we can create that low of that particular 15 minutes candle. Okay, so must be greater than upper Bollinger Band. So in this case, upper Bollinger Band we will use on a daily time frame only, so not for a 15 minutes time frame. Bollinger Band is based on the daily. So if I run this one, so we have very few number of scanners today at 12:45 is about BHEL. So let me go for a BHEL whether it is working right or wrong. 12:45. It is showing you wrong data. 45, exactly 15 minutes time free. Okay, so you can use a 15 minutes Bollinger Band because daily Bollinger Band may be vary. So if you are using a 15 minutes Bollinger Band, okay, so daily, yeah, you can't get it at 2 o'clock. And this time, the 11:45 Cantra Band. So whether it is right or wrong, 11:45. Here is the candle exactly looks like a shooting star candle. The low of that particular candle should be the breakdown, which we can expect for. So here exactly we find out the shooting star and we can increase or decrease the value. Okay, so that is possible with this number. So if you want to do, we may be getting even some more stocks. Yes, so we will run another scan and let me go for a back test. The Okay. So that's a condition, that's a scanner. It's about testing, which I said. So this is what a 15 minutes, and you can also modify the same by the daily also. Wherever you see in the 15 minutes time frame, you should change it as a daily. And if it is finding a minus in 15 minutes, it should be 1 day ago. So if you are following that condition, you can modify and you can change and backtest your results. That would be and great by following this thing. So I hope you understood and enjoyed this concept of upper Bollinger Band along with 15 minutes and daily scanner. So maybe you can go through it and you can create the following steps. I hope you enjoyed this session and thank you so much. And those who are asking this particular type of scanners, you may be getting cleared your doubts and questions here in this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this. And if you have any questions and doubts, just ping me in the comment box. Thank you.